Okay, this is a demonstration on how to install our high security lock pins. First of all, I'll just show you how easy these locks are to pick. This is a pick gun, just a standard mechanical one. You can see that lock's picked. Show you again. Picked. That's the back. Again picked. That's the main reason behind these pins, is just to stop people picking locks and also bumping them. They're also very easy to bump. This is a bump key, which a lot of the crooks are using these days because it's so easy. You just put it in, tap tap tap, and it's open. Show you again. And she's open. Okay. What we're doing to stop lock bumping is installing some high security pins. These are the pins. Oops. Hope you can see that. It's a bit hard to see, but you can see the picture on the website. They're basically just a plug at the top, connected to a spring, connected to a top pin, and they're actually installed. Here's one in a lock that's already been installed, and this one, you just need to drill out one of the pin holes, insert it into the lock, and tap it in, and it'll the plug will stay in there. The length of the pin assembly should be such that when it's installed, just the top of the top pin sticking through into the barrel chamber, like that one. You can just see the top pin sticking through there in that first chamber. Okay, but anyway, we'll show you how to install it. These cylinders have actually got plugs in the top of them. They're just covered over. We're going to install it. I'll show you the key first. This is the key for the lock, which works easy. We're going to install it into the third pin chamber, the second one, which is a number 1 pin. So what we do is, they're pretty easy. You can just mark them out, like put your key up to it, see where the pin is. Put a mark there. And you should be pretty much on top of the pin. After that, you can just give them a bit of a tap with a hammer, and it should show you where the pin is. I know it's hard to see on the video, but there's a little indent there where the pin is. So now we're going to just chuck it in the vise, and grab our drill, using a 3mm drill. Just drill him out. And we'll just grab that pin out. Okay, there's the plug out, and we'll just take out the spring, the top pin, and the bottom pin. Okay, so all it's got is just a nice hole on the top there. Okay, now we're going to put the the high security pin in there. Okay, just need a number 1. Number 1 bottom pin. Which is, it's hard to see, but that's the number 1 bottom pin. So I'll just chuck him in on top. And then just put in our pin assembly. Just goes in the top pin first. Into there. Then we just give him a tap in. So he's nice and flush. And that should work. And that's all there is to it, to assembling. And you're left with a little shiny little pin there. If it sticks up a bit, you can file it off or whatever, but that's it. And just to show you that it works, we'll just try picking it. So we can't use a pick gun on the lock. Electric pick gun will work exactly the same way, just won't work. Okay, we'll try the bump key. And we can gather all day and it just won't bump open. But the key still works fine. Yeah, they can be fitted into most types of locks. This is just an oval cylinder, but it can also be fitted into a you know, anything with any pin tumbler lock. Some pin tumbler locks have a shorter pin height. We do make another pin that's a bit smaller for if your spring chamber's shorter. But yeah, that's they work on the same principle. And yeah, it just stops picking and bumping. And that's about it.